Hello, friends. Today is our Class 18, and we will learn about colors and swatches. So let's start. On the left toolbar, we have the color panel. This box is called the fill, and this box is called the stroke. Right now, these are in default colors, white fill and black stroke. This arrow here is the swap button. You can use it to swap the fill and stroke colors. The default color shortcut key is D. This box represents none. If you want to remove the stroke, first click on the stroke box, then click on None, and your stroke will be removed. For example, if you want to remove the stroke from this rectangle, first select the stroke, then click on None. See, the stroke is gone. Let's add color to these flowers. First, select a flower and choose its fill color. In the same way, we can add colors to the rest of them. We can find the Swatches panel from the Window menu. Here you'll see all kinds of colors. This option is the List view. When you click it, the colors will appear in a list. And this is the Thumbnail view. Here, all the colors appear as small thumbnails. You can also create your own custom color. Click the plus icon at the bottom, and a new window will open. From here, you can choose the color mode according to your work. Now we'll create our own color. Once you're done, click OK. You can see the color added here. If you want to delete it, there is a small bin icon at the bottom. Click it and the color will be deleted.